Hi Kevin, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today, and as mentioned, I have just a quick video showing you how to get new leads just from your website, as well as go over your overall online presence with you. So to get started, I wanted to talk about 3 different aspects that Google looks for when ranking its websites along the Google platform, and those are going to be backlinks, citations, and content. Let's start with content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So this information here, and that's pretty much it. So let me tell you why content is so important and give you an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as a #1 search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So knowing that Google loves content, the more content you have, the higher up the Google ranks you're going to go for multiple keywords. So after looking at your website, I'm going to suggest anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to both get you found by Google, because every few weeks Google does a sweep of the internet and it finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. So having good quality content is going to get you found by Google, but also allow us to put appropriate keywords and allow you to rank for several different search options. As well as every additional service page, we typically recommend anywhere between 5 and 750 words of content. This too adds to your content as well as allows you to rank for different keywords for specific services. So when you do that, Google is able to point back to you on several different search options. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This here is Ahrefs, and it gives me an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. If you look at this number here, you're only getting about 3 people coming to your website every month. And as a business owner, naturally our job, or what we want, is to get our business name and information out and in front of as many people as possible. So how do we do that? We do that 3 ways. By ranking for specific keywords. So every time someone does a specific keyword search for your area, they're only finding you for carpet cleaning, Georgetown, Kentucky. You're already on page 3 for most of these and 4 and beyond, and so you're getting missed out. Like 150 people search for this keyword and you're not getting found at all. What do we know about people these days is they don't like to search much beyond their search. So unless you're on page 1 for most things, people probably aren't going to search on any particular back page to continue to dig and find somebody that they want to work with. They typically go with the top people and the highest rated people. So how do we get there? Again, content is going to be the biggest factor to move you up that rankings. But also I want to draw your attention to these numbers here. There should be a number here, but this first number here is UR, and it directly relates to citations. And when I type in carpet cleaning, Georgetown, Kentucky, the very first thing that you see is this GMB, or the Google map, right? And as we can see that these top 3 competitors are going to get the most business just from being visible alone, which again is what every business owner wants, right? It wants to be visible as much as possible. So how do we get here? We add citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And by doing that, we're going to move up the ranks. I do have the ability to see how many citations your competition has to know how many you would need to secure a top spot, and I can definitely go over those numbers with you if it's something you're interested in. But in the meantime, securing a top spot is going to drive this UR number up. And why is this number important? Well, this DR number, or where a number should be, is also directly related here, and Google likes these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. In doing so, it creates a lot of linear stability for your business and for your overall ranking on Google. So how do we get this DR number to come up? That's referring to backlinks and the referring domains that those backlinks are on. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com, getting your backlink, which is a place where your actual website for your business shows up on a different business's website. And by doing so, that creates a lot of influence to your site. So getting good trusted backlinks is going to cause this DR number to go up, and again we want these 2 to maintain as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So again, just to recap, get good quality content on your website, between 1,000 and 1,500 words on your home page alone, 750 words with appropriate keywords to rank on several different search platforms on every service page, getting lots of citations to move up to the top of that GMB, securing a top position and driving this UR number up, as well as getting good quality backlinks with a lot of influence and trust from Google. That's going to throw a lot of clients our way and cause this organic traffic to go up. Well, I hope this was good information for you, Kevin. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about this. I would greatly appreciate it. But for now, that's all I have. I'll be in touch soon, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.